Hello, this is police here, and I have my flashlight here, and I'm going to explain to you today how to fix the little LED. I know I've seen many videos about how the LED will stay on when the tail cap is tight and the flashlight's off. I already fixed mine, so you can see it's not glowing, but it would be if I wouldn't have fixed it. But I'm going to show you how to do that. See, it's a Fenix TK11 right there. See that? Let it focus here. Come on. It's an R5. And as soon as it focuses here, then I don't know if it's going to focus, but that says Premium R5 right there underneath the TK11. The camera won't focus on it. But anyway, first off, you're going to need your flashlight, of course. Then, what you're going to do, unscrew the tail cap. And by the way, mine does work. Just to show you quick. See, lights up. Okay, unscrew the tail cap. Then once you have it off, see, there's batteries and whatnot. But then there's these tiny little holes inside here. Right here and here. All you do is take something like this. I just have a small needle object here. You can use a snap ring pliers, or if you have a small needle nose pliers like this, that might even work. Just something that you can get inside of that little hole and turn it. Kind of, like that, whatever. Can't really see in there, but then you just loosen this out. Might be kind of tight, but then just unscrew that. Then once that comes out, just turn it over and dump everything out. You can see mine's already in the right order, but you take everything out. And then what you'll have, some parts that probably look like this. And then in your case, if the LED is staying on, then yours is probably assembled wrong, like mine was. Because they probably had this little rubber boot in, and then they had the plastic ring, which that part's right. But then, what they did to screw up, is they put this washer in, and you don't want to do that, because that makes a short somewhere along the lines down there. I think somewhere in here. Then anyway, you just put your clicky switch in there, just like that. And then take your metal washer, then that goes in there. And then make sure that this O-ring here is down on this threaded piece. Put that in like that. Then use your tool again. Get it started. You can do that here. Let's try this. This might work better. If I had a snap ring pliers, that'd be a lot nicer, but there we go. Got started. Make sure this stuff's all in here right. And then just tighten it down. You want to get fairly snug, but not tight. Because over time, the aluminum will kind of, come together. And it'll be really, really hard if you ever need to get that back out of there. So, just get it fairly snug. Then, put it back on. And the LED stays off. See that? And yet, my flashlight still works. In high mode, still works. Then I'm just going to say this is a disclaimer. that if you break your flashlight in any way or harm it, that I'm not responsible because you're doing this under your own will. It's your own decision, whatever. So don't get mad at me if you break your flashlight, because I didn't have anything to do with it. I'm just suggesting that this is a possible way that you could fix it. So I hope I help you fix your problem.